Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, students and seniors unite. Ramada Lyons has that story.
School is out, but Vere technical students had one final assignment this year. That was making this Christmas a memorable one for the elderly in their community.
Just to give back to the community as a service. I love doing it, love being involved. It's a very nice initiative to be a part of, and it's a privilege as well.
Seniors gathered at school not for a PTA meeting and not to file a complaint against any student, just for a good time. It was an afternoon of dancing, gift giving, sixth formers serving meals, some singing, taking the seniors to church.
I felt good to be a part of it the first time, and I'm so glad I get to be a part of it again. So even though this is my last year, I'm really worked and started from Wednesday preparing and just to do everything that I can and be a part of it and just contribute.
Ruthden Francis has been a member of the school board longer than the students have been alive, 28 years. So to be treated by them was heartwarming.
The seniors enjoy it, and we want to congratulate the Vere Technical High School and the sixth formers for this outreach program for the seniors.
The students have been doing it for 14 years.
These days, young people don't recognize elderly, but we appreciate them for recognizing the elderly in the community who really want a little entertainment and going out of the house instead of sitting there all along.
I'm here after here, and it's very good for the young people to recognize the seniors in the community, and they treat us well.
Now, Ms. Stevenson wants to make it clear that where indiscipline is concerned, a few spoiled apples cannot ruin the bunch.
It's not all of them indisciplined enough. Well, you'll find a few, and that is from the beginning. You also find young people indisciplined in my time. So now it depends on how you treat them, how you approach them, so they'll respect you.
And as 2025 creeps into focus, her wish for the youngsters.
First and foremost, I advise them to seek God in their life, to seek God. And next thing, for their education.
Principal O'Neill Lewis says the program started in 2010 and has only grown wings in terms of impact.
It is a program which integrates us with the community and something which the community has embraced wholeheartedly. The grade 12 and 13 students, they took this on as their community outreach project, and we have actually bought into it, and it is a valuable one to us and the community.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Ramada Lyons.